my new Hitachi electric screwdriver. For electronic repair. Not trying to do stupid things like they test them with putting it into screws 6 inches long into the wood for reverse lock so it doesn't waste your battery in the toolkit. Low and high range with the torque setting here, and the battery is very tight, but it does come out if I can pause. So we're back again. There you go, see the battery comes out, and it just clicks in. That's it. Pull that forward to release the bit you're using. Very good little toy. When you've got lots of screws in electronic product, it really helps.